Well, hey artists, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, time to now actually think about how we're going to make this happen. How are we going to take, right, this sketch isn't becoming like another final drawing. No, it's becoming something 3D that we're actually going to build with ceramics, with our clay. So, how are we going to make it? So, what I want us to do now is convert our sketch from just the drawing point to a plan to how we actually think we're going to build this, okay? If you haven't done so already, you should pause here for the moment and go to our other four videos, that show creating a coil, that show creating a slab, cutting a shape out for a slab, that show pinch, and that also show joining. Okay, so that refreshes what we've done from our clay play day into what I'm talking about for how we're going to build. Okay, but I've already done that. I have got a good refresher. So I'm going to start labeling, and I think I'm going to, for the legs, do thick coil. I think for the feet, I want to do like a pinch, hand form. I think for the wings, I'm planning on doing slab. Okay. I think for the beak, I'm going to do like a pinch or hand form here. For the neck, I'm definitely doing like a coil, thick coil. Right, the body, the base is obviously my paddled sphere. But then I also need to think about, so I'm already thinking about the build, but I also need to think about where am I going to do some carving. So I definitely think on the beak, I'm going to do this carved line on beak. Okay, I think here I'm going to do this carved feather texture. Okay, I think I want the neck to be smooth texture. And all those, and right there I've already answered too. Where am I going to use real texture and where am I going to do some carving? Okay, you are required to have at least one element of each of these. Okay, your additive sculpture, subtractive sculpture, and real texture built into your design. Okay, so you need to go through and you need to label. Now, how do you think you're going to build this? Once again, let me come back to my nice Sharpied one where it's easier to see on my camera versus the pencil. And you can see here I've gone through and I've labeled both sections: coil, slab, smooth texture, carved beak line, right, pinched hand form. And I figured out exactly how I think I might build my sketch. Now, at this point, I consider your sketch complete and ready for your points, credit, and school tool. Okay, so please take time today now to review those videos, okay, and actually label how you think you're going to build your maraca. And then at this point, we're going to pause here. Well, I guess I shouldn't have pulled that off the camera yet. Keep it in there. We're going to pause here until we're ready to come back together and actually start building this ceramic maraca, creating our bases and doing the beads for the interior. All right, take care, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in the art room.